All right, welcome back. It is story time. So, in one of the questions, it might have you do something like this. So, you're going to have a big square block. You're going to have a circle at one end of some kind of crazy winding path looking road thingy-majiggy. So, what they're going to want you to do is you want to kind of cut this path through here, through this material or through this, I don't know, big block, and then figure out, area or volume or whatever of that path. So what you want to do is you want to go to sweep. We're going to click on sweep. You're going to click on the circle. You might have to click the top and the bottom half, depending on what selects. But you want to select this whole circle. And then for your path, you're going to select. You're going to click on the path. You're going to select this winding road as your path. You want to go to cut. You don't want it to add the circle. You want to cut out the circle from that block, and then you're going to click on OK, and you're going to get something kind of looks cool looking. Anyway, so you're going to get that right, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go to File. You're going to go to Eye Properties. You want to click on Physical tab. You're going to click Update. Super important. You want to click Update because right now there's nothing. So if we update it, now you can see the mass of our item here, the area, the volume. So whichever one it asks you, there is your answers right there. So